everyone, this is Kate with Scott Lorraine Marketing. Today I want to go over how to access and share your digital business card using the KW Command mobile app. The first thing we want to do is locate our Command mobile app on our mobile device. You should be able to find that by searching Command or finding an icon that looks similar to the one on my screen. It's going to be a red square with a white KW, and it should say Command under that. Now, if we click on that, we'll be brought into Command. It may prompt you to sign in. As you can see, we're already signed in here. From the home screen here within the Command app, we want to take a look at our name and photo in the top left corner. So we just want to click on that. Now from there, you'll see that the fourth option here, if you're including the profiles, is My Business Card. Now this allows you to share a digital business card. You can either use the QR and have someone scan that and it will add you to their contacts in their phone, or you can hit that little share button right under the name, phone number, and email. Now clicking that share will allow you to either text that, email, share it to Facebook, send it through Facebook Messenger, or any other app that you have on your phone that will allow you to share that. Once you hit share, it will send that to that contact as a text and allow you to be imported into their contacts directly from that text. Now with that, it's going to populate a lot of the information from your marketing profile. For example, it's going to pull your phone number, your email, your website, and some of your social media accounts. Now, one thing I do like to mention is that it does not currently add a photo. So it's not going to pull your marketing profile photo. However, in some cases, we do see a photo populate if you already have that contact in your phone, or if the person you're sending it to already has you associated in their phone in some way. So just keep that in mind. If you have any questions at all, though, please reach out to our support email at support@scottlorrainemarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.